Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids, and today I want to talk to you about this, which is the Armadillo mini tool roll. So this is from Roaring Fire Gear. I've checked out their backpack and I think their mini EDC organizer. So they have a larger tool roll. This is the smaller version of the tool roll. It's built obviously for tools to organize them and to carry them around. I've set this up as like an everyday carry gear organizer and transporter, but obviously you can use it for a ton of different things. Cool little product, and yeah, let's take a look at it. All right, so here's what it looks like. Let me give you some details here. First off, it comes in 3 different colors. This is the green. You can also get it in a tan and a brown as well. When it's all closed up, your measurements are basically 5.5 by 11, and then when it's open up, it's 11 by 18.9 inches. YKK zippers. There are 8 pockets and 12 different loops inside, as well as a zippered pocket. You can see you got clips on the front there, as well as a strap to throw it over your shoulder, and then a handle as well. So just a quick note here, you can take the shoulder strap off. You just remove these 2 clips, and then yeah, it's out of the way if you don't want it on the actual tool roll. All right, so to roll out the mini tool roll, you're going to unclip here and here, obviously. Once that part is unclipped, you're basically just going to unroll it. So that's what it looks like, and then we're going to take this corner and basically open it up. So as you can see, like I said, I set it up for everyday carry gear, and we've got a bunch of knives, flashlights, etc. And then there is this pocket up here. So let me run through the gear here. You can see we've got a Schrade pen, another Schrade pen, through night pen light, a little Nightcore keychain light, an O-Light baton, an S1R baton 2, I think it is. We've got a Fisher Space pen, a neck storage keychain, flashlight, a little through night, got my driver set, and then we've got a tiny little O-Light there. Down here, so these go into these pockets. I've got my Kaiser Sheepdog, I've got an OTF, I've got a through night, an O-Light, another O-Light, my Benchmade, and then a battle box pen. Down in here, you can see we've got my mini barrage. We've got a little notebook there, another set of drivers, Exotech lighter there, and then we've also got a Wazoo Survival Gear tracker bracelet. And so when I think about this piece of gear from Roaring Fire, I definitely think you can use it to transport your everyday carry gear. That's obvious. But I think of this as a general organizer as well. So right now I've got like a tiny little compact toolbox that I keep on my dresser that I can throw a lock on so the kids don't get into it, and I've got probably 4 or 5 flashlights and 4 or 5 knives. This obviously offers you a lot more organization. You can carry things. Yeah, I just think it's cool. The larger one was cool, I think, particularly for tools, but for me it was just too big. I just didn't I don't have a use to carry that many tools around. I just have a handful of tools that I keep in my car for emergencies, but then I've got like a full-fledged tool bag that I use for, projects around the house or outside or whatever. So that one, it was nicely made, it just didn't have functionality for me. This one, based on the size and its overall functionality, I think it's got a lot more use for me. So I wonder if that's true for you as well. As far as price point for this one, we're looking at right around 40 bucks. This one is going to be available in mid-October 2020, and I'll put links down in the description section as always. So I've tested out probably 3 or 4 pieces of Roaring Fire gear, and they've all worked well. One of the big things for me is stitching and zippers for any kind of soft goods like this. And I would tell you so far, especially for the price point, the overall build has been quite good. The Roaring Fire Gear backpack I checked out a while ago, I was particularly impressed with the level of stitching and the quality of the zippers. So YKK zippers on this makes a big difference. It's not just some cheap zipper that's going to break on you. So yeah, I mean, if you need to organize gear, organize tools, obviously you can put other things in here as well. But organizing it and transporting it, I think this could be a good option for you. So like I said, links down below in the description section. Let's hear about you and your thoughts on this, and also how you carry or organize your everyday carry gear. Thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.